ISO 9001-2015 explained clause by clause, simple language plus construction examples. Learn ISO 9001-2015 clause by clause in simple and easy to understand language, with real-world construction examples. This video is perfect for engineers, quality professionals, auditors, or anyone working in the construction industry who wants to understand how to apply ISO 9001 in daily operations. What's covered in this video? Clauses 0 to 10 explained. Practical construction site examples. Risk-based thinking simplified. How to implement ISO 9001-2015 in your company. Whether you're new to ISO or preparing for an audit, this video is a complete guide to mastering the standard with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join VJ for more ISO, job, and quality system updates. 1. Intro. Welcome to Join VJ. In this video, let's explore ISO 9001-2015 clause by clause, explained in simple language. If you work in construction or engineering, this will help you understand how ISO applies to your work in the real world. Clause 0 to 3, Introduction, Scope and Terms. The first three clauses are basics. Clause 0 gives a general intro. Clause 1 tells you the scope. ISO 9001 is for organizations that want to deliver consistent quality. Clause 2 refers to supporting standards. Clause 3 defines important terms, like risk-based thinking or nonconformity. Clause 4, context of the organization. This means understanding where your company stands. In construction, your external issues might include changes in government regulations, supplier shortages, or labor market conditions. Internal issues could be things like lack of skilled manpower, safety concerns, or outdated machinery. You also need to identify interested parties like clients, consultants, subcontractors, and authorities. Then define the scope of your quality management system. For example, does it cover just building works or also MEP, interiors, and maintenance? Lastly, map out your core processes: tendering, procurement, site execution, inspections, and handover. Construction tip. Think of this clause like site mobilization: understand the land before you build. Clause 5, Leadership. Top management must lead the quality journey. They should set a clear quality policy, something like, "We are committed to delivering projects on time, safely, and as per specifications." Leadership should also define roles and responsibilities, like who checks drawings, who approves materials, and who handles client complaints. They must also promote a culture of quality. This means they shouldn't just say we care about quality, they must act on it. Site example. If your project manager ignores safety PPE on site, workers will do the same. Leadership sets the example. Clause 6, Planning. This is about planning for risks and opportunities. For a construction company, a risk might be delay in material delivery. An opportunity might be adopting new formwork that speeds up casting. You should also set quality objectives. For example, reduce rework by 10% this year. An opportunity might be adopting new formwork that speeds up casting. Complete site inspections 2 days before concrete pour. Make plans to achieve these objectives. Assign who will do what, by when, and how you'll measure success. Clause 7, Support. You need resources to build quality. That includes trained engineers, good machinery, approved suppliers, and proper communication. Make sure your staff are competent. This could be through certifications like PMP, OSHA, or trade licenses. Also ensure they're aware of your quality policy, site rules, and client expectations. Your communication must be clear. Use WhatsApp groups, toolbox talks, daily site reports, or client meetings. And finally, control your documents like method statements, RFIs, shop drawings, and test reports.
Pro tip.
Think of documentation like scaffolding, it holds everything in place. Clause 8, Operation. This is the action phase where the work happens. You start by planning. What are client requirements? What are the specifications in BOQ? Then control external providers, your subcontractors and suppliers. You must verify their work and materials. During execution, ensure site work follows approved drawings and method statements. Monitor workmanship and finish quality. Keep up with inspections, third-party tests, concrete cube tests, waterproofing checks, etc. Before handover, verify everything matches the plan. If there's any issue, mark it as non-conforming and take corrective action. Example: if the tile finish doesn't match specs, don't just fix it, record the non-conformance and analyze why it happened. Clause 9, Performance Evaluation. Now you need to check if your system is working. Start with site audits, checklists, NCRs, and inspection reports. Track customer satisfaction, get client feedback after project milestones. Do regular management reviews where project heads, QA/QC, and leadership review site progress, challenges, and improvements.
Tip.
Progress, challenges, and improvements. Don't wait till the final inspection, review performance regularly to stay ahead. Clause 10, Improvement. This clause is about learning and growing. Take corrective action when something goes wrong. If there's a safety accident, learn from it and prevent future issues. Also look for improvements. Can you digitize site reporting? Can you use prefabrication to save time? Continual improvement is what makes companies grow stronger over time. Construction mindset. Build better each time, not just bigger. Conclusion. And that was a full, practical explanation of ISO 9001-2015, clause by clause, with real examples from construction. Remember, ISO is not just for audits, it's a tool to improve how your business runs. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. To join VJ. More content coming soon on ISO, audits, and job tips, especially for those working in UAE construction.